Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Quick walk around the showroom today at Mortdale in Sydney. Just got in a really nice little original SLR 5000, totally unmodified car, Survivor, and very nice interior. Just a nice original car. 48,703 on the clock, but look at that! Like, it's got all the wear from being original paint, rust proof from new. But yeah, nice little SLR 5000. Still got the original wheels on it, and yeah, very nice car. So we've got the Cobra. Just had an inspection on the Cobra, and we've got in this beautiful 4-door pepper red XA GT. Very nice top loader car, black trim, restored. Very nicely done. All these options with the spoiler, front and rear spoiler. Some good options on that car. Hillis, from Hillis Ford in Wagga. And then we also just got in this absolutely beautiful blaze yellow XB GT hardtop, heavily optioned car. Just waiting on the paperwork on this car from ACCHS report, but factory sunroof, manual car. Look at that. Beautiful body. Very nice body and paint. Look at that. I'll just quickly show you under the bonnet. So it's this is a 7th month 74, a top loader car, and yeah, it has 4V heads. Probably later 4V heads. But yeah, very nice. It's interesting to see, this is a 74 SLR 5000 L34, so look at the difference between that and what you got as the base SLR 5000. This is obviously modified as a homologation race car, had the twin dizzies, and but this one, interestingly, has got air conditioning. After, General Motors probably dealer fitted air conditioning, and you've got the big flares. You've got the delete rubbers on the front and rear bars. No boot mat. All savings for the race car. No console inside. Yeah, that's interesting to see the two in the showroom near each other. Also, just in is this absolutely beautiful. This is an original 302 XB Falcon, and that is original paint. Can you believe it? Just a magnificent car. This one is column manual, and 79,000 miles. No, kilometres. 79,000 kilometres. Look at that. Just stunning condition. Original paint car. Stillwell Ford. Little single exhaust out the back. And then we got this lovely Phantom, if you like the more modern GTs, Phantom GT. 5.4 litre 290 Boss. And this has got the 5-speed gearbox, so the first generation of the GT once it came back. Very nice car. After hibernation without a GT for a long time. Also, we've got this beautiful Mustang Raven Black with the red interior, 289 2+2 Mustang. This is a really nice car. Right-hand drive, converted in about 2008, all engineered, and this one's got working air conditioning, power steering, modern radio, AM, it's a retro looking but AM FM radio, the exhaust through the balance, and you're riding on these lovely GT American racing rims. But this is a lovely car, 65 Mustang Fastback. Look at that, really nice red pony trim. Yeah, that's a lovely car, just a nice car to drive. Beautiful paint, even though it's not a new paint job, it's just a lovely paint job. So there you go, they're the newer cars. We've still got this HO 455 Trans Am here, the Cedar HDT Brock, the beautiful FPV GTF, 800 kilometres. That one's not for sale. This one is a Corvette, a C1 Corvette, absolutely spectacular. Look at the interior on this, the detail, the amount of work that's gone into restoring this car. Just stunning. That's the original C1. 327, 4-speed manual. Then a little modern version of the Mini. Look at that, next to the Corvette. There you go. That's a quick run around the showroom. Got plenty of room now. Lots of cars are gone. So let us know if we can sell your Australian muscle car, classic car, or US muscle. Thanks for watching Australian Muscle Car Sales.